Ryan Gass here at PTPGun.com, and today I'm going to show you the field stripping of this Beretta Neos. So the first thing we want to do before we field strip any firearm is double check, make sure the firearm is unloaded. So we're going to hit the magazine release, which is here on the right side, drop the magazine out, set it to the side, and we're going to go ahead and check the chamber. Chamber's clear, magazine's clear, we are good to proceed. So from here, we're going to send this slide forward, and we're going to depress this button here, and we're going to rotate this dial, and it's going to separate the upper portion of the frame from the bottom portion of the frame. And now we can go ahead and lift this slide back, and the upper portion of the frame will come off, set it to the side. We're going to take the slide right here, bring it forward, set that down. Now we have the spring right there, as well as the firing pin here. You can see that kind of fixed onto the rear here. So now we have our bottom portion of the frame, we have our slide, we have our spring, and we have kind of what's also the barrel, but also kind of the upper portion of the frame too. The way this is built is kind of different from most other semi-automatic handguns. So now we have the firearm field strip, and from here you can do any type of cleaning or maintenance you might need to do to the firearm. Now let's get back into the reassembly. The reassembly, all right, it's going to be very similar in reverse. We're going to insert the spring over the firing pin. We're going to insert that into the upper portion of this slide. It's kind of circular, you'll see that. We're going to insert the spring into that. And the firing pin is going to come through that part as well, all right? We're going to hold that down. We're going to reintroduce the barrel portion of the frame to the lower portion of the frame. All right, it's going to be kind of tricky because what you got to do is you screw the threads right here. You got to reintroduce them into this dial here, and once they get there and you get it into place, then you're going to tighten it back up. And you'll see it starts tightening up and get nice and firm. You don't need to over tighten it by any means. All right, just nice and firm. Right there. All right, so we're going to now get into the actual function check, make sure we put it back together properly. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull that slide back and let go. All right, we're going to point in a safe direction. We're going to go ahead and pull that trigger. And you'll notice actually, if you notice, some of y'all might have caught that, the safety is actually on. Safety off, safety on. This firearm, this particular firearm that I particularly own, this Beretta Neos, the safety does not work. The safety is broke. So it's definitely something you're going to want to know and act accordingly upon. It's been broke like that for probably 4 years now. That's not really a knock on Beretta per se. Firearms can break at times, and that's why you need to maintain them. But I've allowed it to stay broken in that manner because I kind of use it as a learning tool in my classes to be able to show people, hey, even though your firearm has a safety, it doesn't matter. You still treat it as if it is loaded at all times. Doesn't matter whether you have the safety or not, because sometimes the safety doesn't work. But getting back into the functions check, ignoring the fact that the safety is there, because the safety doesn't pretty much exist on this firearm for all intents and purposes. All right, we're going to go ahead and pull that slide back, let go, pull the trigger. Pull the slide back, let go, pull the trigger. Now what we're going to do is we're going to pull the slide back, we're going to pull that trigger to the rear, we're going to hold it to the rear. Now while holding it to the rear, we're going to go ahead and pull that slide back, let go, release that trigger until you hear and feel that click, which is, on this is very, very subtle. All right, now we're going to go ahead and pull that trigger again, hold the trigger to the rear, pull back, let go, and release that trigger again until that very subtle click. All right. Now again, I'm not going to do a function check for the safety because I already explained to you that it does not work. It is broken. If I wanted to, I could send it back to Beretta and I'm sure they would fix it for me, no problem. But again, I've explained to you why I keep it in the state that it currently is in. And now with that, we have now field stripped, reassembled, and function checked our Beretta Neos. To see more of our videos on field stripping firearms, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notifications bell because we'll be posting Field Strip Friday videos each and every Friday. If you have a particular firearm that you would like to see us field strip, be sure to hit us in the comments below and we will be able to take care of that for you. Thank you all again, stay safe, and as always, train, defend, prevail.